4. Recreation. Hi children. Recreation is an activity of leisure, leisure being discretionary time. It is essential in everyone's life. It is a special time set aside to do something exciting. There are many benefits which associate with recreation. Experts advise that one takes time aside from one's busy schedule to do something which benefits the body and mind. Recreation is a wonderful time to break away from everyday routine like work and school. In this lesson, you will learn about the importance and ways of recreation.
Unit 4. Recreation. We feel disgusted when we do any work for a long time. When we do heavy work, we get tired physically and mentally. To become fresh again, we need some entertainment or enjoyment. This is called recreation. There are several ways of recreation. Playing games. Playing games gives us recreation besides health and strength. Playing games infuses unity and discipline. So, it is healthy to play games every day for some time. Games are of two types. Indoor games, chess, carom, etc. And outdoor games, cricket, football, etc. Television. It is an excellent way of recreation to millions of people. It gives both picture and sound. We can watch music programs, movies, sports, news, etc. on television. They give us recreation and knowledge. It is not good to watch television continuously for a long time. It affects our eyes and also our valuable time will be wasted. So, we should watch and hear only good programs. Magazines. There are some magazines specially published for children. Chandamama, comics, etc. are the examples of such magazines. Children should read these magazines to get recreation and knowledge. Public places. Picnics. When we go on a picnic or an excursion to see different historical and beautiful places along with our friends, we get recreation and knowledge. Zoo. We visit the zoo to see different animals and birds where we can have lot of fun. Parks. There are parks in towns and cities. We get fresh air in parks. Slides, swings, etc. are provided in parks for us to play. When we go to parks in the evening, we get recreation. Celebrations. We celebrate birthdays at home. We wear new clothes and give sweets to our friends. We also take blessings from elders. All these deeds make us happy. Festivals. Hindus celebrate Diwali, Dasara, and Pongal. We get recreation by celebrating these festivals. Muslims celebrate Ramzan and Christians celebrate Christmas with joy. It is good to take part in all the festivals without any difference of religion. Recreation gives us not only pleasure but also education. We celebrate Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, and Republic Day in school. They are called national festivals. They promote patriotism. They give us pleasure and recreation. We celebrate Annual Day in school, where we stage dramas and dance programs. They give us recreation.